CVMC EC Unit 1 Complex Variables. Lesson 3. Problem 2. Problem 2. F of z is equal to mod z whole square is a function which is continuous at all z but not derivable at any z not equal to 0. Solution. Given f of z is equal to mod z whole square. What is your z? X plus iy. What is your z bar? X minus iy. Mod z root over x square plus y square. Z bar x plus iy into x minus iy is equal to x square plus y square. A plus ib into a minus ib. A square plus b square formula. X square plus y square. This is equal to root of x square plus y square whole square. This is equal to mod z whole square. So mod z whole square can be written as z into z bar. Consider point z is equal to z naught. Function value. Your first function. What is your function? F of z is equal to mod z whole square can be written as z bar. Now function value. You find function value at the point z naught. Instead of z you write z naught. We get z naught into z naught bar. This is function value. Limit value. Limit z tends to z naught. F of z is equal to limit z tends to z naught. Your f of z is z bar. Separate it. Limit z tends to z naught. Z into limit z tends to z naught, z bar. Nothing but z naught into z naught bar. So limit value equal to function value. So f of z is continuous. Therefore f of z is continuous at all z. Now we have to check derivable case. What is definition of derivative f dash z is equal to limit delta z tends to 0 f of z plus delta z minus f of z by delta z. This is the actual definition. Now, what is your f of z? Z bar. What is your f of z plus delta z? Z plus delta z into z bar plus delta z bar. Now, f of z plus delta z minus f of z is equal to z plus delta z into z bar plus delta z bar minus z bar. Z bar plus z into delta z bar plus z bar into delta z minus z bar. Z bar plus minus cancel. Z delta z bar plus z bar delta z. Now, what is your z is x plus iy. Z bar is x minus iy. Delta z is delta x plus I delta y. Delta z bar is delta x minus I delta y. So, delta z tends to 0 implies what is its meaning? Delta x plus I delta y tends to 0. So, both two cases are here. Two cases are arise. Two or three, actually 3 cases. First time delta x tends to 0. Second time delta y tends to 0. First time delta y tends to 0. Second time delta x tends to 0. Third time delta y tends to some function m into delta x, delta x tends to 0. 3 ways. We have to check these 3 ways. First we check first 2 ways. If the values are not equal, automatically derivative not exists. Derivative not exists. So you write limit delta z tends to 0. You write here f of f dash z definition. Limit delta z tends to 0. F of z plus delta z minus f of z by delta z. First case. In first case, your f dash z is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, delta y tends to 0. What is this value? This value is z delta z bar plus z bar delta z by delta z. Now you write this one. First you write this one. You write z as it is. Your delta z bar is delta x minus I delta y. You write z bar as it is. Your delta z is x delta x plus I delta y by whatever delta z delta x plus I delta y. Now first delta x is equal to 0. What happens here? Delta x is equal to 0. Limit delta y tends to 0. Delta x tends to 0 means z into minus I delta y plus z bar into plus I delta y by delta x 0 I delta y. Now you common I delta y and cancel it. You common I delta y and cancel it. We get minus z plus z bar, nothing but minus z plus z bar. This is first case. In second case, take f dash z is equal to limit delta z tends to 0, f of z plus delta z minus f of z by delta z. In second case, you take first delta y tends to 0, next delta x tends to 0. Now the value of this one is z into delta z bar plus z bar into delta z by delta z. Now you write limit delta y tends to 0. You write z as it is, delta z bar. Here condition is on deltas. So you write delta z bar delta x minus delta y. You write z bar as it is. Your delta z is delta x plus I delta y by your delta z is delta x plus I delta y. First you put delta y 0, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y 0. So z delta x plus z bar delta x by delta x. You common delta x and cancel it. Delta x tends to 0, delta x common, z plus z bar by delta x. Delta x cancel. Now delta x here, we get same value, z plus z bar. So this is minus z plus z bar, this is z plus z bar. Both values are from 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2 values are not equal. You need not verify a third condition. These are first two conditions are not equal. So automatically f dash z does not exist. Does not exist. If f dash z exists, if f dash z exists, both values are equal. So minus z plus z bar is equal to z plus delta z bar. Z bar cancel. 2z is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Z means z is equal to z naught, point z naught. So z is equal to 0. But given problem z not equal to 0. That's why it does not happen. Both are equal. So f dash z does not, f dash z not, f of z is not, f of z is not derivable at all z not equal to 0.